What's up, hooligans? Moto Mike 805 here. What's happening? Before we get started on today's Shoutouts, episode 11, I think. I haven't done a Shoutouts in a while. But nonetheless, before I get started, please hit that like button. I'm going to start saying hit the like button before I say hit the subscribe button. Need some more likes. And also hit that subscribe button. Also comment and share. Remember, sharing is caring. All right. Woo! So here we go. So first on the shoutouts today is gonna be, thought that was a cop. It's not, just a SUV with a white roof. Back to shoutouts. First shoutout today is Windroad Therapy. Windroad Therapy has got a YouTube channel and also an Instagram channel, so make sure you go subscribe and follow. And Windroad Therapy rides a 2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S. I think it's a white one if I remember right. Nice bike. And they do moto vlogs, mail call, rides, and I think they've even got quite a few rides with other moto vloggers, which is pretty cool. I think I'm finally getting this quick shifter down. I'm trying to stop pulling the clutch in. Such a habit after being on the Harley all those years. Not that all sport bikes have quick shifters, but this one does, and I got to get used to it. I keep pulling the darn clutch in. So back to that, Windroad Therapy. I think they do sticker swaps, but I'm not sure. I know they do mail call with stickers they're receiving, so I'm going to assume they also do sticker swaps, but you know what happens when you assume. But go check out Windroad Therapy. And remember, make sure to let them know Moto Mike sent you over there. And subscribe, follow, comment on their videos. I know you'll enjoy the channel. I do. So next up, number 2 today on the shoutouts is Ace Cafe Biker. Or is it Bikers? Ace Cafe Biker, I think. I think he's working on more than one bike. Like more than 2 bikes. I think he might have multiple bikes. I think he might be a bike addict like me. But I know that he was working on and had a build series on his Cafe Racer. One of the bikes he's working on is a Honda GL 500. And one of the other ones I know he's working on is a GS 850 Suzuki Cafe Racer he's building. He's got, he does vlogs. He's got a Cafe Racer build series that he's got on his channel also. He's got a Instagram and YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and follow. One of the things he does in his videos, sorry if I'm talking all choppy here, but he's got his kids in the video too, and one of the things he's doing is spending time with them building these bikes, which is awesome. I need to spend more time with my son Colby and do some stuff. Actually, this Saturday, I plan on taking him out on the Grom and start our first set of lessons. But I believe, I'm almost positive, Ace Cafe Biker also does sticker swaps. So go check out his Instagram and his YouTube channel. Subscribe, follow. Don't forget to tell him Moto Mike 805 sent you over there. You'll really dig his channel. It's super cool. Cafe Racer is something I would like to do. Something I'd like to build. I think I can fit another bike in the garage. My wife might have other ideas. There's so many bikes I want. I know I will never have them all, but that would be one I would love to build, a Cafe Racer. That would be an awesome project to do with Colby. So go check him out. You'll dig it. but not least is UCM Pigs, or is it US? Is it USMC Pigs? I think it's UCM Pigs. Damn it, I hope I don't mess this up. UCM Pigs, bagger on a budget. He's all about taking inexpensive road trips, yeah, on a budget, and parts upgrades and stuff, I also think on a budget. My backpack is slipping off. Sorry, I'm getting distracted here. For some reason, my backpack today doesn't seem to want to stay on my shoulder. It's kind of distracting me. Alright, so I think I got the backpack fixed. So, parts upgrades on a budget. He also does mail calls, shout outs. I think I even saw a review on there. I think it was on a helmet. You may have more than one. Trying to remember off the top of my head here. I just got off work too, so I'm like brain fried. So this is probably, I'm sorry for the shout outs I'm doing. This is probably going to sound like one of my worst ones. It'll probably sound like I don't know what I'm talking about. According to my wife, that's every day though, so. And he's got a 2016 Harley Ultra Classic, I believe. Or is it Deluxe? Pretty sure it's Classic. And he's one of the ones from the day that I know where he lives. I wasn't sure where the other two lived. One of them has rides all over. But UCM Pigs, bagger on a budget, is lives in Virginia. So anyways, he also has an Instagram page as well as his YouTube page. I believe his YouTube page says he started it back in 2000. There goes my backpack again. Maybe it's just the wind on this bike. It's just so much more wind. But anyways, his YouTube page says that he started back in 2011, but I think he may have, that's when he just started his YouTube, or got a YouTube account. I don't think he started doing the Moto vlogs and posting content until recently. Maybe in the past few months. Not exactly sure on the date when he started posting content, but his content is awesome so far. I believe he actually gave me a shout out too. So hey, thanks for the shout out. But go check him out. Definitely make sure to subscribe and like, comment. Let him know I sent you over there. Most important, make sure to subscribe. Let's help our small community of us small motor vloggers out. Help one another. But anyways, go check him out. I know you'll love his channel too. All right. Sorry if this seemed like I was like tongue twisted or distracted. I really feel like I didn't do the best job today on the shout outs, but I wanted to get one done because it's been so long since I've done one. I felt bad. I wanted to try to do them every Wednesday, and it's been like once a month if that lately, so I will work on that. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here, YouTube. So remember, ride like everyone's a hired assassin trying to kill you. Stay safe out there, YouTube.